everybody, namaste and welcome to my channel and to this new tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you Quatro Vientos from Danit, and I'm going to teach you this beautiful song, mantra, in fingerstyle picking. So let's look at the chords you need for Quatro Vientos. You need D minor, A minor, and the C. The finger picking style that I'm using for this beautiful song is the following one. I show you on D minor. You hit string 3, that's the bass string in this song, with the thumb. And then you use your index for string 2 and your middle finger for string 1, and you pluck those two strings together. So then you get string 3 and pluck. And then you go to A minor. And to C. And this whole finger picking pattern is staying the same during the whole mantra. So I'm going to play a little bit of Quatro Vientos for you, and then afterwards I'm going to cut everything into pieces and learn you how to play Quatro Vientos from Danit. Que viene de la montaña, viento, trae luz, la claridad, viento, que viene de la montaña, viento, trae luz, la claridad. Que viene del mar, viento, tráenos la libertad, viento, que viene del mar, viento, tráenos la libertad. Vuela, 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 volando con nosotros. Vuela, 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 volando con nosotros. Viento que viene del desierto, viento, tráenos el silencio, viento que viene del desierto, viento, tráenos el silencio. Vuela, 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 volando con nosotros. Vuela, 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 volando con nosotros. Viento que viene de la selva, viento, tráenos la memoria, viento, que viene de la selva, viento, tráenos la memoria. Vuela, 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 volando con nosotros. Vuela, 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 volando con nosotros. So, Quatro Vientos. We start with the intro, And the intro originally is D minor 4 times, A minor twice, and the C twice. But I recognize that sometimes I skip the C and only play 4 times D minor and 2 times A minor. So it's up to you what you prefer, and it both sounds really good. So, picking pattern. Thumb on string 3 and the pluck, index string 2, middle string 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the intro, so you play the intro twice. Then the first line is coming, you also play that twice. It's the following one. The pattern stays all the time the same, always D minor, A minor and C. 1, 2, 3, 4. Viento, A minor, que viene de la montaña, D minor. Viento, tráe, A minor, luz la claridad. You played it twice, D minor again. Viento, que, A minor, viene de la montaña, D minor. Viento, tráe, A minor, luz la claridad. Then you go back to the intro again. 4 times D minor, A minor, twice, C twice. Again, D minor, 4 times, A minor twice, C twice. Next one, D minor again. Viento, que, A minor, viene del mar, D minor. Viento, A minor, tráenos la libertad. Repeat again, D. Viento, que, A minor, viene del mar, D minor. Viento, A minor, tráenos la libertad. Chorus, it's same 4 times D minor, twice A minor, twice C. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Vuela, 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 bo. A minor, lan, con nosotros. Repeat again. D minor. Vuela, 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 bo. A minor, lan, con nosotros. Viento, que, A minor, viene del desierto, D minor. Viento, tráe, A minor, nos el silencio. We repeat it again, D minor. Viento, A minor, que viene del desierto, D minor. Viento, tráe, A minor, nos el silencio. So the chorus again. Vuela, 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 bo. A minor, lan, con nosotros on C. Again, repeat. Vuela, 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 bo. A minor, lan, con nosotros. Last part, D minor. 1, 2, 3, 4. Viento, que, A minor, viene de la selva, D minor. Viento, tráe, A minor, nos la memoria. Repeat. Viento, que, A minor, viene de la selva. Viento, tráe, A minor, nos la memoria. Then you get the chorus again. The chorus. 1, 2, 3, 4. Vuela, 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 bo. A minor. Lan. Conocí otros. D minor. Vuela, 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 bo. A minor. Lan. Conocí otros. D minor. Vuela, 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 bo. A minor. Lan. Conocí otros. D minor. Vuela, 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 bo. A minor. Lan. Conocí otros. What I do is then I play after the singing part again, the intro, and then I end the Quatro Vientos. So I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. I wish you loads of fun playing it and share it with everyone and shine your light. See you next time. Bye bye. Namaste.